What's up, guys? I'm Caden with Crypto Now or Never. Today I'm going to be giving an update on Algorand. Please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Help me pump that algorithm. I would greatly appreciate it. None of this is financial advice. Let's get into it.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
So Algorand is currently trading at a price point of just over 16 cents. Its market cap is just under 1.3 billion, which ranks 53rd among all cryptocurrencies. And its circulating supply is about 8 billion out of a max supply of 10 billion, which is just over 80% in circulation. And then if you guys are looking to trade Algorand, I recommend using Binance or Coinbase. I think those are the two easiest centralized exchanges to use. And then if we scroll down into the Algorand news section, there's one article I want to talk about. So 5 cryptocurrencies under $1 with a potential to rise 30x in 2024. And as I'm sure you guys have guessed, Algorand is one of those on this list. Algorand has shown remarkable resilience despite a significant 28% drop in 2024. Its impressive rally of 171% from September to December of 2023 highlights its potential. Now, obviously, they don't give any actual information as to how it would 30x, but I will say a 30x for Algorand is not super unreasonable. Is it likely? Probably not, but a $1.2 billion market cap is not that high. It would only need to reach around a 40 billion market cap to 30x. So again, is it likely? Probably not, but it's possible. But now we'll go ahead and take a look at the Algorand Foundation X account. And they posted on February 4th, what do you want to know about the AVM and block incentives? Drop your questions below for the upcoming live stream. And this live stream is on February 8th. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, feel free to check it out. And then they reposted on January 31st. You can start blockchain development today with the right video resources. Welcome to the Algo Devs YouTube channel. Here you'll find complete beginner courses, coding tutorials, and concept overview. Start your blockchain journey below. And I won't play the whole video, but I'm going to play a little bit of it.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Algorand Developers YouTube channel, where we post complete beginner courses, coding tutorials, concept overviews, or anything that will help you become an amazing Algorand developer. You can use this channel as your second brain when building on the Algorand blockchain and find the information that you need along the way. Now, we have hundreds of videos, and it can be overwhelming to decide which videos to watch. So here's what I recommend to efficiently navigate throughout this channel. First, go to the playlist tab, where videos are organized into playlists.
Now again, there's no need to watch the entire video right now, but the reality is that crypto and blockchain technology are still extremely new, which naturally means that a lot of people are not going to understand the technology. So I appreciate the fact that Algorand is educating people. But now we'll go over some macro news that could affect Algorand's price action, even though it's not directly correlated to Algorand. So this is Watcher Guru's Twitter, and they just posted 12 hours ago, pro-Bitcoin candidate re-elected as president of El Salvador. And obviously that's going to be bullish for the entire crypto space. You have to remember, El Salvador has been right at the forefront of this Bitcoin movement, so it's good to see that nothing has changed. And then lastly, what they posted on February 2nd, BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF now holds $3 billion worth of Bitcoin. And that is a lot of Bitcoin, especially because the Bitcoin spot ETFs just got approved. And just remember, BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager. So them holding Bitcoin, all it does is legitimize Bitcoin as an actual asset to the entire world. So at this point, I genuinely do not understand how anyone could actually doubt Bitcoin as an asset. But anyways, while we're on X, you guys should come over and give your boy a follow at Crypto Now or Never. I've recently been trying to grow my X account, and I've been posting on here pretty much every single day. And I've actually been making some very profitable calls, so make sure you guys stay tuned. For example, we just nailed a Hello Trade setup, and we were holding 42% gains, and at its peak, we were up 64%. And that was all within 1 week. So make sure you guys stay tuned. But also, if you guys want to take it a step further, I actually have an opportunity for you. So I have recently launched a private Discord through Patreon. At this current moment, we are up to 11 total members. But there are many benefits to joining my Discord. This is for those of you guys that want closer access to me. For example, you'll be able to track the cryptos that I am buying, selling, considering buying, and even the cryptos that I currently hold, which I believe could give you a massive leg up on the competition heading into the next bull run. You have to understand, a lot of these cryptos are microcap gems, less than 10 million in market cap. These are the kind of projects that could theoretically turn $1,000 into $100,000. So if this sounds like something you guys might be interested in, I have the link right here on my YouTube homepage. It's in the description. But now for the final part of this video, I'll get into some technical analysis. So this is Algorand on the daily time frame. So in my previous Algorand video, I had it drawn on a falling wedge. However, since then, Algorand had a slight move up, but it's pretty much just been sideways. But anyways, what am I saying right now? So the RSI and stochastics are both neutral. Now, if you look at price action, we swing from a lower low to a higher low. The RSI is higher low to lower low, which is a very strong Class A bullish divergence. So based off that alone, I wouldn't be surprised if we actually get a bounce in the short term. Not to mention, Algorand is also currently trading beneath the golden pocket and just above the 786 and the Fibonacci, which is typically a fantastic classic accumulation zone. But the major thing that I do not like on Algorand right now is that it is trading beneath all of the moving averages except the 200-day. That shows that we cannot get back above some very important resistance levels. So in the short term, the number one thing I will be watching is whether or not price action can get back above a few of these moving averages, primarily at least the 21-day. If we cannot, I'd look for more downside. And if we have a bearish retest, then we could fall all the way down to just over 14 cents. But again, just remember, we also have a very strong Class A bullish divergence. So Algorand has some very mixed signals right now. Now, lastly, I'll go over Bitcoin as it's correlated to most altcoins. And the reality of Bitcoin is that right now we are trading at a very important level. We have actually just broken back above the 21-day and the 50-day. Now, whether or not this candle actually closes above the 50-day is going to be a pretty telling sign of the direction that we are going to be heading in the short term. So right now, just to keep it very brief on Bitcoin, watch these moving averages. If we break above, we could find ourselves pumping all the way up to about 47,000. However, if we break beneath, we could fall all the way down to 38,290. Now, I will say, similar to Algorand, Bitcoin does have a very strong Class A bullish divergence, which in the short term would make me lean slightly more bullish. But again, the number one thing I'm watching is these moving averages. So I recommend you guys do the same. But also, as I say in every single one of my videos, macroeconomics significantly outweigh technical analysis. So just understand, crypto is an extremely volatile asset class. Anything can happen. But that's about all. Let me know down in the comments, how high do you guys think Algorand will go next bull run? If you found this content valuable, please do me a favor and hit that like and subscribe button. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great rest of your day.